and this one. Okay, now here we have got a separating funnel. Come over to your side. This separating funnel has got a tap here, so it's meant to separate two liquids that are not mixable, which is immiscible. So if I add in water, can you see? And if I add in some oil, you will find that they cannot mix. Okay? So what we'll do is, we don't want to shake it, if we shake it too much longer. We remove the stopper from there, and now we drain off the water by turning the tap, and therefore it drains off. Okay? And just before all the water drains off, we turn off that. Then we remove this. Hopefully there's all water, but there's still a little bit of oil, right?
Yeah.
And then after we take another container, we drain off until the oil. Now there is no more water, right? So if there is no more water, we then take another container to take the rest of the oil. So this is called a separating funnel. Now this separating funnel is also used by, used by housewife to separate the oil from the soup. Let's say this is the soup. Yeah, then people are very scared about the oil, so they don't want the oil, right? They don't want the oil. So can you see the oil is on top?
Yeah.
And all they need to do is to use this and then pull this one up, and then you will drain off the soup from below here. You see? The soup comes out from here. And then up to here, then you throw away the oil. You know, my wife is on the diet, meaning that she doesn't eat carbohydrate, but she will have to eat oil, fat, and protein. Very funny that a person who is on diet should eat oil and fat. I find that very difficult to understand. And you know, of all the three categories of fat, carbohydrate, and protein, the smaller word fat per gram will release the most energy. Carbohydrate release the least energy. Except the carbohydrate, when you digest it, it will turn into glycogen, which will be kept in the body as fat. But those fat are known as glycogen. And it comes from carbohydrate, it doesn't come from fat. So there you are. This is a housewife separating funnel. This is a chemist separating funnel. Of course, this one costs much more than this one. We have done this cheap separating funnel. And this cheap separating funnel, again, we can put the oil in and the water and let go the water out first by letting go here. And when about all the water is going to be drained away, you close this. Again, you waste a little bit, and then the rest of the oil can then be drained into another container. And this doesn't cost a cent. This is very, very cheap. Okay. Yay! So we have got this. Now we got two directions of this with the same commentary. I think this one has stopped, right?
Yeah, stop.
They stopped together, I think. Okay. No,
Not sure.
they didn't stop together. Yeah. Okay, so that's what it is. And this is a little bit oily. Go and wash your hands. Go and wash your hands. Yeah.